What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play School Globes by XXXTentacion. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video and the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial or I'll backflip kick your jugular off your body. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Alright, you guys, this song is pretty simple. You're using a few different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song, and if you need the chord diagrams, as always, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the description below. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's 100% free. I give it away in all the videos. It's just another little gift for you guys coming to the channel, checking out the content. It has all the major chord diagrams in there, so if you need them, once you get done with the video, jump into the description. The free ebook will be there for you. We're starting out with the C major chord. It's going to be 0-3-2-0-1-0. Next is going to be E major, which is 0-2-2-1-0-0. A minor, move that formation all down one string, 0-0-2-2-1-0. F major, which is 1-3-3-2-1-1. And finally, G major, 3-2-0-0-0-3. So the chord progression for the song is going to be C, E, A minor, F, then one more time, C, E, A minor, F, then C, E, A minor, G, and then C, E, A minor, F, and all that just repeats. Once you have the progression down, all you need is the strumming pattern. It's going to be a simple down, down, up, down, up. Throughout all the chords, it looks like this. Down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. Now there is a little hammer-on part that's played right when you play the F chord. If you want to know what that is, it's just so 1, hammer on 3, pull off 1, pull off open, and that happens during your F. So you're down, you can just like one strum the F, and then it's a quick little, you pluck it on the 1 and very quickly There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, Intermediate, or Advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with a free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.